Dear student, welcome you on Introduction to Business Operation Management, Week 2. I am Ahmed, Business Lecturer at Scholars School System. Learning outcomes for Week 2. On successful completion, for this module, students will be able to demonstrate an understanding of business operations and management, explain the key concepts of effective operations strategy, explain the role and scope of business management, contextualization of knowledge within real business. What we are going to learn today. Learning outcome for this session will be demonstrate an understanding of business operations and management. Learning outcome 1. By the end of this session, you will learn about supply chain, logistic, and a production function in detail, quality control process, case study on quality control. So what is supply chain management? Supply chain management is the management of the flow of goods and services and includes all the process that transform raw materials into final products. It involves the active streamlining of businesses' supply side activities to maximize customer value and gain competitive advantage in marketplace. By the definition of supply chain may include all activities related to the distribution of commodity from raw material to the consumer, including the procurement of raw materials and component. As we see here, we have in this side suppliers and in the other side is consumers. Between suppliers and customers or consumers, we have here internal supply chain process. In this supply chain process include purchasing of raw materials, a production process, and then after the goods will be finished and ready will be distributed to the market to be available for the customers. Logistics. How businesses get the right goods in the right quantity at the right time to the right place. Logistics is the aspect of the supply chain that involves the flow of goods and services from the point of production to the point of use by the end user, which means consumers. The aim of logistics is to ensure that goods and services arrive in the right place, on time, in the right order and condition. The customers is the focus of all activities involved in this process or involved in the logistics. Logistics required various processes such as scheduling, planning, executing, and controlling costs to ensure efficient flow of resources. It also involves work in a process and the finished goods within the supply chain. Production. According of Oxford Dictionary, production is the action of making or manufacturing from components or raw materials or the process of being so manufactured. Production refers to all the activities which are undertaken to produce goods and services for generation of a new income and satisfaction of wants. Quality control process. Quality control shows poor quality of a project deliverables. The finished a product or service to be delivered, and the causes and will suggest changes in performance and when necessary. Quality control process. In a planning process group, we have planning quality management. In executing a process group, we have performance, quality assurance. In monitoring and controlling a process group, we have control quality. This example about the quality control process is available in live session. The references for week 2. Thank you so much. See you in the week 3.